gentlemen, your trusted real estate broker, Tomer Lenkry, broadcasting to you live from this beautiful estate located at 3107 Millmar Drive in East Dallas, close to shopping center, close to the Arboretum, close to the major highways, Dallas downtown, uptown, White Rock Lake. You've got to see it to believe it. Join me. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. This outstanding property featuring pretty much everything is completely brand new. From the floor to the ceiling, all the light fixtures, outstanding brand new kitchen that was installed over here, fresh paint, new windows, I've got to say, all the mechanicals, AC, new roof, gutter system, and I do have a beautiful special surprise for you when we are ready to show you this beautiful backyard. But I want you to join me to see this magnificent brand new kitchen that was completely constructed into this property with sleek, beautiful quartz design on this beautiful island, matching bookshelf with a backsplash, faucets, undermount stainless steel sink, all the stainless steel appliances, just outstanding. The new windows, as I said, the sliding door, all brand new, the light fixtures, all brand new. This area of the breakfast nook that's facing the kitchen. Also, you walk towards a beautiful and ample space of storage and the utility room just in front of it. Just so much to list. You need to book your appointment today and you've got to see it. Ladies and gentlemen, you ready to tone it down a little bit and get ready for shower and sleep? Follow me. Beautiful. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Yes, and again, fully remodeled. Bedroom number 3. And for the cherry on the top, the master bedroom. This gorgeous, beautiful bedroom with an ensuite. Along with it, such a wonderful and beautiful layout with a split bedroom layout space of this gorgeous property. Common bathroom, let's not forget. Absolutely. And I have a question for you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready to swim? Join me to the pool. Ladies and gentlemen, it's pool time. This outstanding property, yes, this gorgeous covered patio was just constructed 6 months ago, beautiful and brand new, stamping concrete, and this outstanding gorgeous deck that connected directly to this gorgeous beautiful pool. Swimming, enjoying, unbelievable for entertainment. We're situated on a 1/4 acre lot, so there's so much beautiful space where you can, enjoy of entertainment, and for guests and friends and family that are coming over. Just outstanding supreme property in the middle of the city of Dallas. Don't waste your time. Contact the Lenkry agency today. Tomer Lenkry, a trusted real estate broker. Book your appointment personally with me. I know this property really well, so don't waste your time. Someone will take it very quick. It's not going to last long. Call us today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you at the other side.